Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about BARD Chatbot, a new AI chatbot developed by Google AI. BARD Chatbot is a powerful language model that can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. In this video, we'll take a closer look at BARD Chatbot, including its history, applications, benefits, drawbacks, and future. Introduction to BARD Chatbot. BARD Chatbot is a large language model chatbot developed by Google AI. It is trained on a massive dataset of text and code, which allows it to generate text, translate languages, write creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. BARD Chatbot is still under development, but it has learned to perform many kinds of tasks, including following instructions and completing requests thoughtfully, answering questions in a comprehensive and informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange, generating different creative text formats of text content, like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. History of BARD Chatbot. BARD Chatbot was first announced in May 2022. It is based on the Transformer model. The Transformer model is a type of neural network that is used for natural language processing, NLP. It was first introduced in 2017 by Vaswani et al., and has since become one of the most popular NLP models. The Transformer model is based on the attention mechanism, which allows it to learn long-range dependencies between words in a sentence. This makes it better at understanding the meaning of text than previous NLP models, which were only able to learn short-range dependencies. The Transformer model has been used to achieve state-of-the-art results on a variety of NLP tasks, including machine translation, text summarization, and question answering. BARD Chatbot is built on top of the Transformer model, which is why it is able to generate such natural and coherent text. Applications of BARD Chatbot. BARD Chatbot can be used for a variety of tasks, including customer service. BARD Chatbot can be used to answer customer questions, provide support, and resolve issues. Education. BARD Chatbot can be used to provide personalized tutoring and instruction. Entertainment. BARD Chatbot can be used to generate creative content, like poems, stories, and scripts. Research. BARD Chatbot can be used to collect and analyze data, and to generate hypotheses. Benefits of using BARD Chatbot. There are many benefits to using BARD Chatbot, including increased productivity. BARD Chatbot can help you to be more productive by automating tasks and providing information quickly and easily. Improved customer service. BARD Chatbot can help you to provide better customer service by answering questions accurately and promptly. Increased creativity. BARD Chatbot can help you to be more creative by generating new ideas and concepts. Drawbacks of using BARD Chatbot. There are a few potential drawbacks to using BARD Chatbot, including accuracy. BARD Chatbot is still under development, so it is not always 100% accurate. Bias. BARD Chatbot is trained on a massive dataset of text and code, which may contain biases. Security. BARD Chatbot may be vulnerable to security attacks. Future of BARD Chatbot. The future of BARD Chatbot is very bright. Its latest updates include image capabilities, coding features, app integration, pinning and renaming conversations, and support for more languages. As it continues to develop, it will become more accurate, less biased, and more secure. It will also be able to perform more complex tasks. BARD Chatbot has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers. It could be used to automate tasks, provide better customer service, and even create new forms of art and entertainment. That's all for this video. I hope you learned a little bit about BARD Chatbot. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.